Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the simple but critical items. First, wake the source device and make sure it is sending a signal. Many systems idle into sleep even when plugged in. Next, swap the cable, HDMI or display port, because a bad cable is the most common cause. Once done, power cycle the display. Unplug for 30 seconds, then reconnect and select the intended input. These steps eliminate easy hardware and configuration faults before deeper troubleshooting. Now you move into configuration and adapter checks. Adjust the source's output to the display's native resolution and refresh rate, since mismatched timings trigger power save from no signal detection. If you use adapters, docks, or converters, bypass them and test a direct connection. Adapters often fail or misreport EDID. Also, switch graphics outputs. Disable multi-GPU profiles or try onboard graphics to isolate a GPU driver, or finish by addressing software and persistent hardware issues. Update the monitor or TV firmware and the source device's GPU drivers. Outdated firmware can miscommunicate handshake signals. Reset the display to factory defaults to clear custom timing profiles, and inspect EDID information in the OS or monitor menu so the source knows supported modes. If the problem remains, confirm behavior with another display or add a powered signal booster or active adapter. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip: swap components one at a time to find the faulty part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.